What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're seeing a pullback on Bitcoin, leading to the alts bleeding relatively hard. So we're going to go over Gala games. We're sitting at 0.028, down 14% on the day. Market cap 1.04 billion, 24-hour volume 150 million. So if we pop into the chart, as you can see, we did continue to break down. So what we have to look at is the wave 2 pullback not being complete yet. Now the next target you would look for, it can bounce before then as it's already broken the wave 3 low, is 0.02488, the 78.6. If that level sees a clear break, it increases the likelihood of coming all the way down and breaking the invalidation. Bitcoin really have to shit the bed for that to play out. Anything is possible, but as of right now, we look for a bounce off that level. If it does go lower, I don't see it hanging out down there too long before pushing back to the upside. Of course, anything can happen, but if you look at BTC right now, I do think we're looking to push up in that wave 5. That's your first wave 1, pulling back in a wave 2. So as long as you bounce from this zone, you're good to go for continuation back to the upside. But if we were to lose 94.1, it increases the likelihood of a bearish scenario. But as of right now, we're just sitting in that pullback zone. But about a 3-4% drop right now. And yeah, a lot of the alts are just taking a hard hit, which is pretty normal when you see a big pullback in BTC. One of my cats is playing with a paper bag. So if I zoom out for you guys on the weekly chart, the next level of support lines up 0.0245, 0.024. Yeah, very, very close to the 78.6. Is a major level of support, so it could offer a bounce. If that level breaks, of course, risk does increase of creating a new bear market low, but as of right now, it does look like potentially impulse of wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback 345 to complete the larger wave 3 up to 13 cents, but this level needs to hold or things can become bearish, so we'll see how that plays out. As of right now, wave 1 to the upside and looking to finish that correction in the wave C of the wave 5. But it's important to hold that 78.6 level. All right, gang, that's what we're looking at for Gala. We're in multiple trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Take 30 seconds and sign up. You get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees through my link. And you can get a $200 trading bonus if you put $1,000 into your futures account. However, that is not necessary to access my group. Just sign up, send me an email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals, as well as you can see is what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, completely for free. Definitely a $50 to $100 a month value in my opinion. All you have to do is take 30 seconds to sign up to Bitfinex, send me an email. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.